Friends, this is how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook. You need to place on the three lines, then go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, account center, click there. Your information and permissions. Then export your information. Then create export. Want to recover deleted messages on Facebook. Then export to this device, export to device. Then here, this is the Gmail address where the downloaded file will be sent. Then again, customize information. Here, these are the things you can recover if they are deleted. But now, we want to recover only messages. You have to first clear all. Then you select messages. Then you save. Here, you choose the range. Here we select all time messages, but it may take longer to export. Then the media quality, we need to choose high quality. We want the pictures to come when they are of good quality. Even the pictures to come when they are of good quality. Then you save. Then you save. Here you just need to start export. To start export, click there. You need to start export. Then here you need to add a password. Then here they have said your information is being prepared for export. We will let you know when it's ready. So guys, this is how you can recover all deleted messages on Facebook. Please like this video and please subscribe for more videos.